For do what? To bring down back Jamaica. We have to keep, we are the strong people in our nation, you know. Yeah, me tell you, no? Morning, bless up yourself. Labour right are strong people them on the forefront of the country. You see me? Without labour right, Jamaica sink. Without labour right, we economy done. Without labour right, we infrastructure building in our country pause and now move. So watch out. So labour right, we are the forefront of Jamaica. We are the forefront of this little island here. Labour right. We are the forefront of Jamaica land where we love. So, telling you this again, there is no need for evil buck shuffle, bro. You hear me telling you? We are the governing party. We are the governing party in our country. PNP are opposition. PNP role is to be opposition until then dead. You hear me telling you? Me I say it again. Labour rights. PNP rule in a Jamaica have to be stay in a opposition until then dead. That a PNP rule in a Jamaica. Yeah. PNP now have no other rule in a Jamaica. And I watch ya. We, that's our rule. Our rule have to keep PNP in a opposition until then dead. That's a Labour right rule. And guess what? We are the governing party. It's not PNP a govern PNP a opposition. So you say we have a lead, you know. And we have a lead. And we are a winner. So you say if Labour right they want to sit down and make PNP trick uno, I want to feel like say PNP are going to trick uno and tell uno. So yes, when we win we are going to do this. PNP now look for one and uno. You hear me telling you? PNP now look for none of uno. If you not Labour right, I want to make PNP trick uno and tell you about come vote for them and them or do this and do that for uno. Uno now no sense. I mean I tell you now again. Labour right are leading party and we are government. I mean tell you this, you know. Every single Labour right. Every single Jamaica Labour Party voter who are Jamaica Labour Party supporter who love them party, we not supposed to in a no buck shuffle, bro. You hear me telling you? Our Prime Minister, the best Prime Minister ever, don't need for in a no buck shuffling. Him no need for a thing twice, bro, because guess why? A Labour right government. So all Labour rights, only just get up and vote. Get up, yo. Election call, by election, pre-election, no matter which election, just get up and go ring a bell. You hear me telling you? Because guess why? We are government. And we suppose, I say this to Jamaica Labour Party people. We have to love be victorious. Love being victorious. Love being the leader. You hear me telling you? PNP them, you know, when them hold on pan it, you know, when them did hold on pan it, you know, bro. You want all Labour to listen to me and remember, you know, when PNP them did add for them time, bro, them prefer dead under sufferation. Them prefer dead under bad road. The teacher them and the police them, you know. The teacher them and the police them suffer. 9 years what a years in freeze. Them suffer how much years what a wage freeze, you know, and them still did a vote for PNP, you know. And I take the little bit of money, you know. You hear me telling you? Majority of people in Jamaica who did a work, majority of them was PNP because them say a PNP country. And what? Minimum wage was less than dog shit. Underneath PNP, you know, them still vote for PNP for 18 years, you know. Jamaica people, you know, Labour right, them want to get up and use on the head, bro. Stop one like, uno no love uno party, and uno love uno country, bro. What make Labour right then can't be like me? Chucks. What make Labour right then can't be like we? In Chucks? Like we. If every Labour right are like me, like Chucks, like Munchie them, like matter them, roasty them, case them. If every Labour right are like in for them, brother. Guess what? Brother, we not in a buck shuffling, you know, bro. Andrew Holness just get up, you know, and call it anytime, you know. Big up yourself, brother. You hear me telling you? I say if every labor right are upstanding and fighting labor right like we. Oh, we not no problem in a Jamaica. We not think about nothing. We think say, alright then Andrew Hollis. Them say call it. We get up a morning and win. Because guess why? Bro, me as a labor, I love my country, brother. You see me? I love my country. And why make me support my party and so strongly respect my party and always I push my party up to the top. I'm telling you why. I'm telling you why, bro. I don't really love. I love my party, yes, but guess why? I love the way how I see my government. I push the country forward. Yo, I love the way how I see young people have things to do. I love the way how archers free. That's whole heap of youth can go get skill, bro. Because of construction field me there, now, bro. And me get to see it with me too, yeah. Say, yo, trade, brother, we have half a percent of trade man of Jamaica want. You hear me telling you? Jamaica don't have half. We don't have half the percent of trade man where Jamaica needs. So watch ya. You see now, me see one government can come in. Make it free for the youth them go and get a skill, bro. And me know say, as a youth, morning, mama. This one now me as a youth know say, watch ya. Boom, but you know say, look how much, look, what they have up on one side. You see it? Because right now we have some work line up, you know. Because the rain stop the whole light, you know, hard rain, you know. You see me? And the hard rain stop it. Show man. Big up yourself if you are watching. Me not say nothing, bro. You soon get a call. Here charge it. I just the rain. The hard rain them from one day. I stop the work them. You see me? And watch out. The G want some carpenter. Big up to Bridget. And Bridget we get one link with one Ella. I don't really know him yet, you know. But the work start up certain pace through the hard rain. And the parish council them. You see me? Me I tell you this is the next thing. You see, if I parish council them, you see the PNP, me and them play politics. Them play politics and them stop whole heap of work in Jamaica. I mean, I tell you this. You see the PNP, big up yourself, my G, morning. You see the PNP, me and them, bro, a whole heap of work them stop in Jamaica. Your PNP, me and them hold down blood clot Jamaica like them a rope. The PNP, me and them come like rope to Jamaica, like them whole Jamaica and tie up blood clot Jamaica now and Lego Jamaica. Dirty PNP, me on a Lego Jamaica. No. Amount of work them, brother. You see now PNP them, which part the PNP them, municipality them there, and of them have the me and them. Brother, a beer tap them tap people work. Beer tap them tap people work, bro. They don't want people work for go on. As the work start, the fucker then come. Send down all type of police and all type of people to come tap your blood clot work. Why PNP what so wicked and cancer, bro? Eh? Why make you no want tap? You don't want to see no building go in the country? Eh? You don't want to see the country advance. Why that you don't get me for? You don't get me for lock down your blood clot country and hold down people work. And that the people said people in my vote for UNO. Now for people who vote for fucking UNO. And you know, UNO, lock down their work. UNO send blood clots on the team, them go tap the people and look at house. Your PNP blood clot me and them are wickedest me. You hear me tell you? Yeah, Billy look at house, you know, bro. You see me? Yeah, Billy look at house. Nobody don't know. You can't afford to get this. You know what, go? And everybody can afford to get a dry in, bro. And everybody can afford for this dry in here. You see me? So boom, yeah, build a local house. Brother, in my constituency, you know. You see me? A PNP and me, you know, for our party, you know. You see me? And the man bomb buckler send on top every little house we have built in a place, you know. The man send out in team, on top every little house, every little shop. Every little blood clot thing we in a place. The house them we have built for how much year ago. Man, they say them can't build again. You have the house then tap. You have to go get drying. You have to go get this. You have to go get blood clot. That wicked pussy clot near them. No must. And matter of fact, them a try carry down the government, but guess what worse? People them a bring down, bro. People. Cause a man a building little house, bro. The money where a man a building little house, a man can go to boom, you know. Find a little money, dig out a foundation, buy some block, and start doing little building. You see me I tell you? My man can do that, you know, bro. But watch you now, me a show you a thing. One time you come down upon them through blood clot politics and tell them say, them have to go get one draw in, them have to go get this, them have to go. Brother, pass stop the people in house and building. You know? Alright, that's you tap the people in house. One man a build one little command, one man a build up one little shop, one drop one little container and a set up a little thing. And yeah, I go tell him say, him have to go get dry in, him have to go get this, him have to go get that. Brother, by the time you quint, that little money there, we could have finished the business. And that the money there, you go tell the man then say for them to go take and do this and do that. Yo, me I say this again. A PNP, me and them. I rest me and them in a Jamaica, them wicked and bad mind, you fuck. And me say that as a youth to the construction, right? Anyone who go in a Jamaica and check it out. Most houses want to stop in a Jamaica from build. Check out who I am here. Just check out who I am here, bro. PNP blood clot me a did it. Bad mind dirty me a them. They don't want nobody to have good place. They don't want nobody to own house. They want nobody to build like a business. So how the fucking country are gonna move forward? Dirty stinking me and them of PNP. So one over Portmore. Him don't want nobody do nothing. He don't want a road fix. Unless if a PNP blood clot involved in it, enough to do nothing. Enough to move. What do you know? When a Jamaican, want to get voting for? Some of the PNP blood clot mayors and councillors want to get voting for oppress Jamaica or for uplift Jamaica. Because I want to know. And that I want to know, you know. I want to know what people and vote for UNO. PNP councillors and mayors want to get put in a government for what? For help Jamaica bill or for oppress Jamaica. Because me I tell you, Angela Brown Burke, nobody can tell me that she was voting in to help build Jamaica infrastructure, She did get voting for bring down Jamaica, Me I tell her that. Cousins never get voting for build Jamaica. Him get voting for bring down Jamaica. Mark Golden never get voting for build Jamaica. Him get voting for oppress Jamaica like a blood clot slave master them. You hear me tell you, Me I show you again, When him Parwell never get voted, for uplift Jamaica, Him get voting for oppress and bring down Jamaica, Me I show you, bro. Every one of them, just check them status. And just check them status and them track record. And they will show you, say, for them track record show, so them run off a blood clot track, Then couldn't take a curve, You hear me tell you, Gaza G17. Watch a G. Me I tell you this again. Go and check. Brother. Go check. G17 Gaza. Go check your history, G. I mean I tell you no disrespect. Because we hardly are going to do this thing with disrespect. Unless you no disrespect, we are going to disrespect back on it. But we are going to tell you the truth. Go check your history, Gaza. You hear? There is not one proof you can prove to me, say. Labour right, Andrew Holness and the Jamaica Labour Party sold. Morning, mama, morning, my mother. Me say, if you can type in a comments and tell me what Andrew Holness and the Jamaica Labour Party sell out of Jamaica, tell me. Give me a rundown. And if you don't give me a rundown by the next 5 minutes, me I start tell you who sell out the country. What did Andrew Holness sell out of the country? That's why I'm not black with you, Me I show you up this morning. You fucking idiot. Andrew Holness sell at airport. Andrew Holness name PJ Patterson. Gaza. G17 Gaza. You know what say you fool? Yo, that's why I'm not black, Yo, you have to show real. And Jamaica say PNP, vote of them, most of them are friggin' idiot, then dunce and fool, you fuck. Boy, PJ Patterson, let me tell you. PJ Patterson sold our 2 international airports. Listen, PJ Patterson sold our 2 international airports. PJ then sell all I beach them and privatize them. PJ then sell they sell cement, sell with major shares in a cement factory. PJ then sell JPS. You want to listen who sell out Jamaica and go Google it and find out if I lie me and tell. Go on. Go check, youth. Go know about your history. Go know what your party that you vote for did to Jamaican assets them. Go on, go do it, youth. Go check out where your party, if you want to know who you see uno as young youth, more want to know for open up on the brain and start make people chicken and go dig up and know. Yeah, for real, mama, them stuck in a PNP-ism. You hear me tell you? Youth go dig up your history and find out as a young youth, I want to see which government sold out Jamaica. You hear me tell you, G? Go check your history as a young youth and stop make the all PNP them chicken. You see the all PNP them, bro? The all PNP them, G. Them trick the people, them trick the young youth them and try to control their mind with lies. Uno fi get up, uno bright. You me tell you no? Uno bright. No for uno as young youth. So uno need for go, just go Google. Go and check up on the history on the country. Stop sit down and go listen to some idiot music, bro. History in our country, history is a thing we roll, brother. History and no go like them tell about slavery, Arawaks, Indians, history, everything. So check politics history, brother. PNP sell out the country, brother. PNP make we not rich like how for rich, brother. A PNP make Jamaica, the country of Jamaica, is not rich like how it for rich. I mean, I say this again. You know what I say that? Andrew Holness and the Jamaica Labour Party. We never get the control over the country with no assets. The only assets we have is tourism. I mean, I show on a thing, I mean, I'm going to use on a brain. We never get the country with no assets different from tourism. Alright. And we use tourism and with physical constraint, we physically set out the runnings of the country then. We use that and all of the country that we have the highest net reserve. We have the most money. Jamaica have the most money now in a history since independence. So imagine, me just going to say this again, you know, without all of them assets that we PNP sell out, you know, without backside, me assure you, without backside, without banana boat. Because remember, say PNP mash up banana in Jamaica, you know? PNP mash up the cane, you know. A PNP mash up all of the assets them we used to have, you know, bro. You hear me telling you, say, PNP, all of the assets them Jamaica have, PNP sold them out. So imagine right now, we don't know all of them assets that Jamaica are the richest it's ever be. So suppose Andrew Holness government did get Jamaica with all of them assets there, bro. We don't know how rich would that be? None of them look Caribbean island they couldn't chat to it. You hear me telling you? None of them look Caribbean island they couldn't talk to it. Cause you know what me telling you this? Brother, right now, we are the richest we ever be. We don't know bag of assets. All our assets them sell off. PAG sell off all our assets them. You see, all I big old PNP them who come for my life every day and chat off them mouth. Them say them bright and to the way of them fucking dunce. Them never have no sense for say yo. I sell PG, I sell out all the assets them out of the country. You feel like them they have sense? If fucker they have no sense, they still vote for PG for 18 years. They still get up and vote for PG and put him in how much term. You know? Them give PG, they make PG one of the longest serving prime minister ever for do for sell out and mash up a friggin' country. So tell me now, tell me now, as Labour right now, I'm not talking to PNP, you know, because I say, You can't, me tell her this. And my grandmother ever tell me this. You can't take a hag out of a pen, but you can't take a hag out of a hag. Yeah. And listen what me tell you now. You can't take one pig out of a pen, but you can't take a pig out of a pig. A pig will forever be a pig. So me I tell Labour right them this, bro. Uno, as Labour right, uno we no need to get up and tell and beg no PNP and tell them this and tell them that. We as Labour right, are we. I leading, I government. We don't need PNP for help we win. We need for us come together, look, take it serious, love we party and love Jamaica and us get up and go vote out PNP. That's it. We don't need nothing more than that, bro. You hear me telling you, because I'm telling you this again. You can take a hag out of mud, but you can't take hag out of hag. You hear me telling you? PNP people them live with anything and say it is alright, bro. PNP people them don't. PNP people them aspire. I'm telling you this. I not even want to say PNP people them in general. Yes, you see. You see the PNP, you see the PNP leaders them know that PNP more majority of the PNP people them they don't vote for progress. You hear me telling you? The leaders of the PNP party know that. Majority of the PNP people them don't vote for progress. Them just vote through vote. And them just vote through them know say a voting time come and them a PNP and them a go vote. So yes, one time them voting the PNP them, when them voting them come do the same thing. Them don't give them don't show them no representative. Them not do nothing at all for them. And guess what? Them know say them because them know. Call election a morning, PNP a come vote for because PNP don't vote for representative. PNP don't vote for good governance. PNP does vote through vote. PNP does vote, a voting time come. Alright then, park up and chuck this up. Give them some rum. Give every man 155 and 144,000 lights done. PNP don't vote for good governance. Me born and grow in Jamaica. Me a 30 at year old. Me grew up under PNP time. PNP no grow for good. PNP just vote through vote. Look, let me show you say PNP just vote through vote. Brother, jungle is one of the baddest places in Jamaica right now. Jungle. You check any one of just check any one of them flag ya. You go up on them at night time, I want to see. A jungle is most where go on in a town area. Look for when them say, Mark Golden for come down there. Come try quash the war. Mark Golden go down there. Eh? Look for when one big shit hole in a middle of the place. Them not cause Mark Golden and tell if you come fix it. Them a cause Andrew Holness and tell Andrew Holness say one big shit hole in a them constituency. That for sure uno say the people them live with anything. Them don't vote for governance. Them vote for love a party. JLP people and PNP them take any shit, bro. PNP people them take any shit. So anyone sit down and never say. Andrew Holness I do this and I do that. We have to go vote. You hear me telling you? We have to go vote. We don't need to sit down and say yes. So I'm telling you with some people style. They won't get up and say yes, we are lead. We are government, so we have to win. Have to win your ass, so you don't get up and go vote. We don't want no Labour right to sit down and talk about, we have to win, and you not go vote. You not carry your people them go vote. Every Labour right to vote, because every PNP a vote, no matter whether them vote and them nah get no. Them, as long as me say them not care, just vote them a vote, bro. PNP don't vote for governance. PNP don't vote for MP work. Brother, I'm showing that thing. And PNP, all like PNP them can company life. One good thing they can talk, the time done. Because when you can't say time coming up. When you type on my screen, say time come, I know where PNP has the time done. PNP time done. That's all I type on my screen. Because you can't tell me nothing. I'm telling you, you can't tell me nothing. Me a youth, you know. I just use things just like when I in school. Teacher give me some work. Yo, me ever find a ways to done it quick. Me I tell you how I know say PNP in a brain. Brother, you see the constituency where Angela Brown Burke, where tax and cat woman. You see Lisa and cat woman. You see constituency she run right now. Remember that a Portia Simpson Did I run that the constituency, you know? Portia Simpson was prime minister, you know? Portia Simpson in a blood clot in a politics for how many years, you know, from way back a PG then time, you know? I did Portia Simpson constituency, you know? Bro, wanna check your constituency, say, that road now fix this up from Portia time. Rich Pab Angela Brown Bird constituency there. You see to the way bad them the road they be? Are from Portia time. What me telling you say? Are from Portia time. But dog, stop come for me thing and tell me about stop fight politics. You see me a fight politics, you take all this fight politics. Eh? Me ask you a question. You who said that? You who said that, you know? Me ask you one question. You did go on, you ever go on one other life? You ever, what year one time election around America? What year election around America, bro? No, toughest people in the world who see a talk about politics, youth. No, Elon Musk, them and the whole of them we have build blood clot rocket and a send God moon, we rich like God. We don't see a fight politics, youth. Yo, we don't allow people make them do what they want to do. We don't go over some other bomb buckler. Boy, we don't go over. Yo, boy, me I tell you this. You go over a platform, them go run off the batty man, them off a TikTok. You go over, yo, who a come from my platform and tell me about top fight politics. Bro, look how much transmission they on TikTok. And I bet say you have pitney. You a go over there and tell the transmission them say, come off a blood clot TikTok. Eh? You a go over there go tell Derek say if you take when blood clot batty man self and go hide. Eh? You are going to tell Jaden say if you top teacher look up in them boy girl for wine pan in tongue. Boy, allow me alone here. I girl or host to ever you because I now come here and come beg your blood clot nothing. I walk me there. I walk me work for Fimone here. Every day you come on people live. Yo, PNP the pan for them live or do you said thing, you know? So why the fuck a labor right live them wanna take set pan? Eh? Why me gonna take set pan labor right live them? I'm not stop take set pan people, bro, when people are stand up for what them love. Me I stand up for my party, brother, and I stand up for Jamaica. Who know I get up on blood class, stand up for Jamaica and I know where? Who know get up and I preach to youth them? Who know who can come on people live and tell them what to do? Why me couldn't not go up on the live them? Yo, go get 1,000 followers. Put on the live them and represent where Uno want to represent, brother. You hear me telling you? Uno go look at 1,000 followers, go live, represent where Uno want to represent. But I represent for the country and the young youth them in Jamaica. Me, I represent for the future. Me don't know what I represent for. So me come on live to come big up my party and for beg the youth them to go get a skill. So you say all Uno one like that, bro, me not busy about Uno. That me represent for. Me represent for Jamaica. Me represent for the love of my country. Me represent for the youth them. So hold on, say if you have 5,000 followers, bro, you go on your live. Go up on your live and go support where you want to support. Me not have 5,000 followers. You see me? And me, I push the goodness of my country forward. Say you for go support where you want to support. Me, I support. Say, well, you know when I come on live, me I beg you them for go get a skill. Youths go and get a skill. And me I beg Jamaica people them for not make we go back. Me I beg Jamaica people them not make we go back, bro. Now make we go back. You know, I watch them send a bed in the hospital. A hospital short a bed, a hospital short a this and short a that. You see that PNP say, we are them fucking wicked. No to PNP is them Philippine, big man and mama. I'm tell them this. I'm tell show them wicked. Them a ball say Jamaica suffer and Jamaica people them a suffer. And we are them hate Jamaica people, you know. Them say, them a go change. Free, I'm not stop say this, free health to pay your bill. Free health, them a go take, them a go transform the health sector. And them a go take it from free to payable. All you feel love, all you feel say, Jamaica people them a suffer and then can't buy food and this and that. But you know, but they look a free hospital where them have. You say you go take it from free to payable. So what kind of love you love people? What kind of love you say you love the people and you love the poor and you love the people in Jamaica? You don't love nobody blood clot Mark Golden. You're a wicked boy. You me tell her? You're a wicked boy. Because if you go get up and say people this and people that, and you know say people, you say The people them in Jamaica nah make no money. And them nah this and them nah that. And you I go change free health to payable health. Who you like? You don't like nobody, boy. Because most of them hospital there are ghetto people. Said and Uno. PNP have the most garrisons. You hear me telling you? Most of the patients them one time in the hospital. I pay ghetto people. I not see no uptown people in Russia coming in the hospital them. I pay ghetto people and rural area people. Me see, I run come in hospital. Pay you to ride bike. Pay little girl with a war and burn up and chop up them one another. Pay ghetto people, me see I come in the hospital, bro. You hear me telling you? Pay ghetto people, me see I come in the hospital. Boy, I'm tell you this in a PNP time, road no fix. Youth, as some know say you PNP. In a PNP time, PNP, road no fix. If you're in a black blood clot road no fix, boy. All you contact, you talk about, me still I go say this. Look on the road them run a Cousins constituency, youth. Look, you know, and check how long PNP are run round this. And tell me if road ever fix round this yet. Since you go talk about look on the road them. You, who attack? Check out the road them run a Cousins constituency. Check how long PNP are run round this. And tell me if the road they ever fix from PNP time till now. Since you attack. Check out the road them run a Angela Bro constituency. Portia Simpson used to run around it. And look on the condition of the road and tell me if they ever fix from Portia time. That more want to know for doing now, no sister people now can spread no rumor upon nobody, you know, bro. Them their constituency where PNP are run for over 30 and 40 and here, bro. And the road them, brother, pumpkin at growing in a road them. So tell me this. I want to know for tell me this. Everything labor right don't say it's not good. 18 years of working. Me never hear my grandfather nor me never hear none of my auntie or my uncle man. Nobody get up and I say them I get tax return. And I say, oh, you don't know say government I give you back tax return. Me never hear them sitting there yet. Andrew only come show and say them think they can work. When we are go school, no matter how bright you be. No matter how bright you be, bro. You could have bright like morning star, evening star, and afternoon star yourself. No matter how bright you be. If your mother can't pay for friggin' CXC, you can't do one CXC. And that's why most of the youth them in my time left school without the CXC, you know, because their parents couldn't afford to pay for CXC. You hear me telling you? This is a government here. First thing, you know, I want to that big stinking lady. I wish time you go to school. On a little pitney. You go to school in a labor right time. None of you no go to school in a PNP time. Because, you can't tell me, say, PNP government used to pay for one CXC if in a blood clot pitney. Not even one free CXC you never used to get, a big idiot. But you can't talk about like me I tell. Which PNP government? Which PNP government? Not even one. If your parents can't pay for CXC in a PNP government time, you never do a CXC. You left school as a fucking brat, no matter how morning star bright you be. Jamaica Labour Party can change that. And that's why I want to see so much youth can go turn police a year time. So much youth can go turn soldier because them are left school with almost subjects now. On a fucking fool. Not even understand about what going on in our country. When you just sit down, cross labor right, love PNPism, love shit in a bag, love handout, love freeness, and love blood clot suffer. Now most underneath Jamaica Labour Party, the most youth from inna the ghettos, inna the lower life people them I got university. The most youth inna history go to university. Inna some little garrison community under Jamaica Labour Party and Andrew Owens friggin' government. So I don't say nothing now go on. And PNP are run the country for 18 years and we never see them sitting here yet. So what go on? I only say PNP was the best government. Best government doing what? Me a 38-year-old. Me grew up in a PNP time. Me a 38. And a PNP government, me go school youth. You don't feel like me go school in Andrew all this time, you go ask me how old is me. No for you go teach you, no pitney, you can't teach me, you know. You can't teach me grow in a household of politics. You hear me telling you? Me grow in a household of politics. My grandmother them are politics, them breed, them eat, them drink and sleep. Me grew up under politics, bro. So you can't come tell me nothing. PNP and a PNP government, you know, when them say them a give people one little house, a food for the poor come build one blood clot, look, or my food house come give, you know. If he least little time pass, my food house gone. Andrew only come and I build good house. Good house with good windows, with flush toilet inside of it. You not go to do go shit. And you pick it and drop through all out of do in a PNP. Yo, wanna stop going like on the nonsense, yeah? Wanna stop going like on the nonsense. Andrew Holness government come change. Me not gonna say everything is perfect. Everything cannot be perfect. Andrew Holness government come change. A lot of things the PNP never do in a 18 year, bro. In a fucking 18 year. You hear me telling you? Yo, me show you nothing. We stop borrowing money for do certain things. When you say how much Burl pass for the year. What day we get one in a tropical storm? When you hear what government talk about go borrow the money. When you hear what government talk about borrowing the money, Sparks program and the whole of them program there. When you hear what government talk about borrowing the money, me asking a question. We go buy how much bus for the year? We buy how much police car? We buy two helicopters. We buy boat put on the sea. When you hear Andrew only saying borrowing the money for do it? When you hear say we borrow the money under PNP government, PNP trust. Some fourth hand and fifth hand bus care can give it. And the first two trip it drive out a bomb up so the bus them broke down. You hear me telling you? Some fourth hand and fifth hand chichi bus PG the trust and care come down you can give it. No buy you know, trust. I mean brand new. Some fourth hand and fifth hand. The bus they not take no time for mash up. So how now go on like we not no sense in a Jamaica and we are done. In a PNP time, a one blood clot, a one garbage truck. One garbage truck to each constituency. Look how big St. Catherine be. One garbage truck in a St. Catherine. So you know say garbage just collect till every blood clot 50 months. One garbage truck. We not go like we are idiot. In a PNP time, garbage rather than kill people. Most leptospirosis catch people in a Jamaica in a PNP time, bro. You not go like you not member. You can't tell me. You can't ask me my age, you know. Because my age as young youth grow up underneath PNP government. You hear me telling you? Nowadays, bro, I not even know so much people can work on garbage truck. Me never know so much people can work on garbage truck. Me never know so garbage truck can come almost every week. Yo, a garbage then can't drop in my community. But you queen, you see garbage truck. You hear me telling you? Me never know say too much people can work for. Me never know say garbage truck people can come and get good fucking pay until people want to go work on garbage truck. You hear me telling you? Me never know say to that come till what I say this again. All who not fit near school, walk past one school and look for the car park, bro. Look for the car park. And see the amount of cars the teachers them are own. Me never know say to that come up to teacher own too much car. You hear me telling you? And me I go say this again. A man in time if you no live in the community them with the young youth them mind. With the youth them with the progressive mind. Just look on the amount of young youth that go work a man in time, bro. In our time, bro, so much young people now work. Uncle thing you see. Be a young girl a breed up. 4, 5, 6 pitney. The country short a pitney now, you know. Them say no girl now breed up again, you know. Why? Why so much young girl now breed up again? Because the girl them different from them the type of people. Them a young girl nowadays. Them educate themselves and them set themselves in a way. Them a young girl in a Jamaica now more independent more than ever, bro. At the first, you see so much independent young man and young woman in a Jamaica society. People never know so them sitting there could have happened. People never know so them sitting there could have happened. Brother, at the lowest And I can say this and I say it again. At the lowest unemployment rate ever been in Jamaica history. PNP run the country for 18 years, you know. And they say 18 years when everything a boom and everything in our country. And in a them time there, brother, you hear me telling you, unemployment rate was the highest. Nobody in a work. You hear me telling you, young people in a work in a PNP time like now. Woman never used to work. The most work woman do, a full back road. Fully go club them. Walk and wash people dirty clothes. Yo, you now no wash a woman again. I must, yeah, what you have? You have janitors and laundry people where come. You hear me telling you? Food, wash. I want to, no brother. I want to get up and go like on no sense. I want to get up and go like on no sense because I'm going to priest say things be easier. You know? I don't love too much handout, bro. Hungry people are suffer and feel it in a Jamaica. Handout people. Handout. Anybody say them a go through this and them a go through that. Through them love handout, bro. You hear me telling you? Not hard working. Independent mind. Self-driven person in a Jamaica now boss and not go on. None. We can't tell you that. None at all. Hungry people are boss and not go on. Just check it. I people them in a PNP garrison them. We just feel like a handout them to live off. Them are most people who are boss and not go on. You hear me telling you? I don't know true we are labor right we are say that. We just attack it truth. We just check it. Yo, if me say if you follow, you see if you go up on the For You page and sit down and see look at dirty PNP them attack, you can know the sufferation and kill them because they work this your fuck. Because you're there in one country where one time your government are run it. Unemployment rate are highest. Highest in our history. You see me? No. It's the lowest it's ever been. I wanna go jump up and say nothing now go on. And in a freedom time, 18 years of this high unemployment rate. Why so? The whole of them say best time that it will be the best time. And in a them time they are the highest unemployment rate ever been in our country. It will be the best time. And so much people in our work. That more I know. It will be the best time and so much people never ever work. Me not deal with you because you're a rat bat, you know. And the PNP government, unemployment rate are the highest it ever been in a history. And the PNP government, minimum wage couldn't buy dog feeding. Minimum wage couldn't, and the PNP government, minimum wage couldn't buy one pack of blood clot pampers or one baby feeding. Boy, who can tell me nothing? In a PNP time when we get minimum wage, boy, my daughter born in a PNP time, big batty man. You me tell a boy, I know I'm talk some real facts now and top chat so sitting. In a PNP time when I get minimum wage, boy, when me get my pay, and me go so boom and go buy one big bumbo clap pack a pampers, and one big informal. I done me money done, boy. You ever work in a PNP time yet, boy? You ever get a check in a PNP time yet, boy? Eh? What you know about PNP time? Girl, I'm gonna tell you this. Me not work this icon, you know. Me have surfer tickets. I want to them a $6,500 and then it go at $8,000. I want to them big stinking idiot you can tell about PNP time. In a PNP time, when I get a look at PAYE alone. PAYE alone. You're rich in your mind, man. All on a PNP style, you know. A cap factory, you know. You see it? PNP them own cap factory. You see me? Me own helmet factory, yeah. Helmet factory me own. Try and know that. When you own cap factory, me own helmet factory. So you see the difference to me and on cap, me put a helmet. So watch out. On a cap people, me a builder. So me not walk and say me rich. Me just walk and want only thing me glad say, Father God make me have a skill. Father God make me certified. Me have a trade. Me can't hungry. Never hungry, boy. Yeah, me telling you, me can't hungry. Plus watch this and now, me have my land. And me plant. Yeah, me telling you, Me plant. You on the top of the screen, my people, and keep life running. You see me? Because we are start do it back often now, you know, because for what year we not in a life. If me not do life every day, me not the way up there. Big up my government, man. I mean, I tell you this, there is only one way for you get yourself out of poverty. One way for you own 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20 bank book. And half a bad mind people, but they have 28 bank book. You have to break your mind out of the world down, the world down culture. You have to take your mind out of the world down culture, out of generation curse culture, out of PNP world down generation curse culture. You have to take your mind out of that. You see, if you stuck your mind in a PNP world down bad mind, nah, do not no culture, you not go broke for life. You not go stay the same, you not go shit in a scandal bag till you not dead. You life nah go change. Cause me I tell you this, most of the PNP them culture is world down bad mind, watch people things and bad mind people feet. Yeah, me tell you, and that's why you see in a PNP constituency, in a PNP constituency them, in a PNP garrison them, people are live the worst, people are the worst set of living conditions. You hear me tell you now? In a PNP garrison, them people are live the worst set of living conditions in a most of PNP garrison them. In a Mark Golden constituency are worse. You hear me tell you now? The worst. Portia Simpson constituency are worse. Mark Golden constituency, if me can't tell you this. If one matches stick drop, the whole constituency flat. Everybody up there homeless. Remember me telling you that. One matches stick drop in a Mark Golden constituency, the whole constituency homeless. That's for sure the type of people them where I can tell people about progress. And them, what a lie. Mark Golden constituency boy, Romian. One matches stick and the whole of them people are blood clot homeless. You so cocky like dog, man, but working for your dad dinner, boy. You name shit like dog. You feel like we work minimum wage, boy? Eh? So cocky, boy. You feel like we work minimum wage? For me know myself. Only time I work minimum wage is when I was a little boy and I work in a PNP time. Only minimum wage me ever feel in my 30 odd year on earth in a PNP time. When minimum wage was fucking nothing. You hear me telling you? Nobody feel like me work minimum wage, boy. Me a minimum wage worker. Me a trade bumbuckler, skill trade man. A big shit house. So on the hunger time, me tell you now when me did a little boy and just blood clot. I learn life and get to work over IPRO. At that time, hunger time, me know minimum wage. Me don't know about minimum wage, boy. Check out my life tomorrow. From tomorrow to the next day. Check out my life, then I see my life. If I know some big blood clot house, I see me a paint. At December now, you know. At December now, I sat them, I got mash up 4 room. 4 fucking room. I tell a woman $10,000 room and she ball. And I tell her to give me $8,000 a room. Batty boy. I wanna feel like me a trade man boy. Me can't hungry boy. Plus me a farmer. Me can't hungry a fuck. Never hungry boy. You mad? So when I come and get up and a chat, in a PNP time, bro, minimum wage couldn't do nothing. Me a telling you that. Couldn't do nothing at all, bro. Minimum wage couldn't do nothing at all for people. I'm telling you this, Andrew Owen is come change the country in such a way, brother. And that's how I see so much people are prosper. That's how I see so much prosperity. You know, that's how I see the teacher them and the police them and them can finish up them look house so them are built for how much years. Some of the teacher them also built from blood clot for 10, 15 years ago and they couldn't finish. You hear me telling you? What do you have to tell what us one teacher? A woman tell me say about I'm more 8, 9, 10 years now since our house bill and couldn't tile. And the woman say a little razor pay. A little razor pay what she get. She buy up her tile and sit in she car and we go and do it for her. You hear me telling you? That fool man teacher ever left Jamaica, bro. Teacher ever left Jamaica, G. So if you not say teacher run, the teacher run, we go do what? And a ball say they want to come back. You ever have one family who a teacher run, we go foreign? And you hear them tell us they want to come back, boy? Eh? You fool, you fuck people. Yeah, I'm telling you with you. I'm telling you with PNP. PNP feel like so when people left Jamaica to uplift themselves and run where they run with. Oh, yeah, say people are run where and yeah, them a come back. Hmm? Oh, you say people run where and them a build house down here. People who run when a blood clot build house which part they come from. People who run where them pack up everything and take you away. Then take up all the fucking house where they have. You see nobody a run, we want to stop spread propaganda upon the teacher them, brother. A lie we not tell for the people them. People them have ambition. You see me? And the people them migrate go in a foreign country for a better because them have better foreign because the money, the currency is better. You feel like people run and go foreign through a better. A ambition you not have. You see it? I'm sure no. On the mind is low like the ground, bro. You don't feel like people supposed to uplift themselves in a life. And I know, a low-minded people think them weird about people, brother. Low fucking minded people think them weird. Oh, you ever think so when time people migrate go foreign? For try to make blood clot US dollar or American or English pound for send down here, for build up them family, for build business, for build good house. You know I go say I run with them run with. A workless and a workless. I want to mind workless. All the uno chat them sitting there, uno know for blood clot have it in our mind so uno want migrate and go make uno life better. Uno for turn a Jamaica till uno dead. Uno know for bomb clot, uno know for see how plane look. Uno know for feel snow in uno hand. Uno for turn and dead. Uno for just hear about foreign and don't have a mind for blood clot go foreign. Uno workless like dog. Girl, me not no time for you, you know. You see all uno we a talk about who, me not no time for you, girl. Cause hype you look here. You look at hype, Shani. You can't get the hype from me, man. You can't get the hype. Girl, me not no time for you. Cause me not no time for you shit like you. Cause from me way me see you, me know you want a girl them who shit in a bag for days. Hey, girl, Shani. Me tell her this. Your throat could have deep like a whole eye blood clot precipice. Hey girl, then could have play tita to hee-ha-ho in your throat day and night. You still blood clot worthless no dog. You still a shit in a bag, girl. Hey girl, then could have play drumstick in your throat hole till for days. You still worthless. You still asleep on blood clot. You still asleep on blood clot table. You know? Your blood clot mattress where you have. Kaya in it a juke your day and night to blood clot. You can't know so you not get comfortable sleep, girl. Big up yourself, T. You worthless like dog. You don't know? You can't know so you worthless like dog, girl. Worklessness that kill you. You need to go look at work. And that's why you don't see not if you can't get one bartender work. Not even bartender work you can't get because you're a bar fly and nobody not blood clot. Nobody not employ no bar fly. A bartender people employ. You hear? Not even a bartender work you can't get to blood clot because you're a bar fly. I just got a while go with the city. Hold on, let's see. Big up to all labor rights, man. Them alright, you know. And that's why I tell them all the while. I know say that's why I say this all the while. I'm glad how I turn to bumbuckler, cause yo, give God thanks the way I turn. Cause all if me I look girl. I couldn't look certain set of girl, bro. Cause if you see all them girl, you know they not no ambition. You know? They don't have no ambition at all, bro. That me not like, yo. You know what I find out? Not one to the way the PNP them know say. Them not have no ambition. Me never see not one of the PNP vlogger them. Not one of the PNP TikToker them come out and I tell the PNP them. youth them say, yo, you go learn a skill. You try go get a work. Cause guess why? Them know say to God. For them set of people, them no want no skill, them no want no work, or some non-ambitious, low-life set of shit them. Not one of them. Uncle think them get up every day and come on the internet, come do a try to tell lie and spread lie propaganda. That's all. Me never hear not one of them get up and I tell youth them say, go and go get a skill. You don't go look at work, youth. You don't stop sitting on the roadside and dig out no one nigga. Not one of them, never. Uncle think them get up and do, come for me that come tell lie every day, brother. Come for me that them wake up and come. They not even work. They not work none at all. We are they workless. Some of them don't own a house and a blood clot car they sleep. And the car where they must sleep and not even for them a people car. Just check it. The most low life is blood clot. TikTok them you can think about. A PNP them. The most low life. Workless blood clot, non-progressive TikTok them. Just check out them lifestyle. A PNP them. Caution them and them don't own a blood clot table. Them don't own a table. Blood clot car them asleep in. Just check them out. Most of them all blood clot will come from. I say yo, if night should turn to day and you really can see enough of them blood clot people who come on TikTok and cuss people and talk about them this and them that. If them could show we show them live and show them lifestyle. You know, you see a rare set of junk them in Jamaica. And that is no joke to it, bro. One thing I can tell you them now, I'm not stop say this. Youth, don't follow nobody, you stop following people and say nothing now go on. You hear me telling you? Stop following people and say nothing now go on. When you get up, hard work is the key, brother. By the sweat of your bread, you shall eat. No lazy, the pastor tell us no lazy boy and a girl love to eat, you know. If the Bible tell you that, you know, so no lazy boy and a girl nothing get feed them for dead, for hungry. You hear me telling you? So if you don't believe in the Bible, you can go and feed lazy people. You can go and work for the money and can come buy some boy special and buy some lazy girl sitting for them. You hear me telling you? The Bible tells us no lazy boy nor girl, no handouts people no for them for dead, for hungry. By the sweat of your brow, you should eat your bread. If you don't want to work, big up yourself because more love mama. If you don't want to work, you're for dead, for hungry. The Bible tells you that. Father God make sure to tell you that himself. You hear me telling you? So all lazy PNP, I don't know how to live. Because if it was God was like man, we're not dead for hungry. We're not starvation, kill no rascal. I'm not glad to say God is like man. Because God tell us no lazy boy and no lazy girl, nothing have nothing them for dead for hungry. Go and read the Bible and it will tell you that. You hear me telling you? I mean I say the next thing too. No? Yo, I say all of there in my age group in them 30 that go up in a 40. So me I grew up. Only thing my parents used to tell me, say, me used to hear, because when Gilbert passed me a 2-year-old, me never really understand about it. You see it? I mean, I go say this again, me say this all the while. When Gilbert passed me a 2-year-old, me used to hear them talk about earthquake and them sitting there, we never really feel it. The first earthquake me feel is when me there in a grade 3 at Marley Primary. Me never really understand about it. We just see them run up and down and alright, watch out now. Me I show you this in the Jamaica people. I want to know what I vote for. Know what I vote for. Alright. For the past few years, every minute we get earthquake, every minute we get storm. Brother, you know what? I true fish Brian type of blood clot people and want to come take over Jamaica. I want to know already, you know. Father God did mash down Saddam and go marry through batty boy. I fuck them one another and through girl. I fuck them bumbuckler one another and through be a dirty lazy people now and walk. You hear me telling you I want blood clot. Rob and kill off them one another. So Father God sink there, you know. Me tell you already, you know. You better try no one vote for a car of disaster go kill off a blood clot down at this and with them PNP endorsing all of them batty sitting where them are endorsing our country, you know, brother. Disaster go kill we down here, you know. You hear me telling you? If you don't know what to do, bro, you see You see where PNP are endorse, Father God no in it for Jamaica, Father God vex with doing a bro, so no know what I doing. You see if you no love Jamaica, no love the future of Jamaica, no want Jamaica for stay in the way how it stay, brother. Say no to PNP-ism. Yeah? Say no to PNP-ism. Them batty boy they were married to them one another and them batty boy they were endorse battyism. You know, so it cause earthquake from back a earthquake. Storm from back a storm. Yo, them one blood clot God for take our good country for everybody, where all our whole ancestors them fight for. Where so much blood clot slave dead for. Yo, me I tell you no. Me I tell you this now, me I want no. No one vote, bro. Vote for prosperity. Vote for the betterment of the country, brother. Yeah, yeah, we Andrew always tell us say this is a Jamaican, this is a Christian country. We are a Christian nation, bro. We no can't vote for some set of people when I believe in a Christianity and believe in a blood clot say country for good on. Believe in a say man for fuck them one another. Believe in a say man for married to man. Believe in a say girl and girl for lay down in a bed and fuck them bum buckler one another. Country go sink here. You hear me say? We prefer we stick to people who godly and believe in a master God. More I wanna believe in a some people who don't love fucking God and don't believe in a God themselves, brother. You hear me telling you, cause there is not one of them dirty Satan can believe and none of them can tell me say them believe in a master God. Cause them endorse man for married. They endorse two man for live in a house and a fuck them bumbo clock one another. You hear me telling you? So you see, if you no make the mistake, yeah, and see if a whole win a blood clot they have done, you see gotta show we sign them. Master gotta show we sign them, yeah. You can go and sit down and go like on a blind eye to sign them. No for you older than me. I mean, know say you in a phone time, you not see so much earthquake hit Jamaica. You hear me telling you? You don't see so much storm come off of Jamaica. I wanna feel like the fucking conditioner youth, them lifestyle change, brother. So gotta change against we more and more, you know, bro. I tell you, you know. I mean, I said this to you again, I mean, I tell you for parents, them. When you sit down now in the house and see look a fucking boy, them and look a girl, them and be some look a fucking sit now and sit down and wanna allow it alone. You hear me telling you? I all the way I feel it, gotta vex in Jamaica. I mean, I say it again, gotta vex with we out there, brother. I'm telling you this, G. Watch out. Me I say this to you. I don't make nobody fool you, yeah? Don't make nobody at all fool you in a word. Don't make nobody fool you and tell you about God and bad word. Yeah? Me I tell you this. You feel like loving God or having God in you. It come with words. The pastor then depend, enough of the pastor then depend the pulpit and jump up and they never cuss a bad one and enough of them, and money them I do it for. You hear me telling you? Them not have God in them and love God like how me love God. And a bad word them will come out of you. And the love where you have for Master God inside of you. You hear me telling you? Because enough of you are going to church go hear pastor them a jump up. I went to your ear down in line. It said pastor them wanna say a jump up. Them a dig out little boy asshole, here. So nobody feel like a who jump up and say God, 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 God. A who love Master God and believe in him to the fullest. You hear me for Master God in a you. You hear me telling you? So you can jump up and come talk about cuss bad word and cuss this. You never see one bad word in the Bible. You never see the Bible showing say you not to cuss these words. Eh? Who tell you say word them when me say bad? Tell me which part in the Bible you see the Bible say don't cuss bumbuckler, don't cuss pussy rascal. Yo, don't stop when I could take me for idiot. You don't feel like me a dunce or idiot. Hmm? I don't see the Bible condemn one word when me say. So now you can tell me about Bible, not tell me about Bible, you. Me walk and breathe and live. A God me believe in. When I see no ring never go on my finger. Me when I hungry young boy in Jamaica never get up and have 20 and 30 ring from my blood clad finger. No obia man, obia girl, nobody never beat me and no bad pan here. So nobody can tell people about me say, I say this again. 90% you see look for the way name. The one named Shark Stewart. Look for Shark Stewart. When you say Shark Stewart come and a cuss na bad word, but him, all him talk about hallelujah. Praise the Lord. And him my wickedest germs. Good thing him build church for to take people money. And for try to trick people, girl pick them for drop off their little drawers. So watch ya. And the word will come out of your mouth, brother. The love in your heart. You hear G? Cause enough girls sit down every day and tell you say they love you, but deep down inside of them heart, bro. They hate you like poison. Me I tell you that enough women live with them man and left them man in their mind, but them are open up them foot and give them man crutches. You hear that? So if you don't believe, how people tell you say out of them mouth, how in your heart, G. And me I say this again. Enough women live with them man and give them man crutches every night, but in their mind they left the man already. So don't if you hear people get them and say hallelujah, hallelujah, thank God, don't believe them, believe in a God, bro. Then just say it. Here, no for we own us sit down on the roadside there, burn split, drink liquor, and cuss a bad word. Love God and believe in a God more than own. No for them own here jump up. No for them own here jump up and say hallelujah, hallelujah. Some wicked bumbuckler sitting with them do. Them a try beg God to cover them from here. You're a fool, man. Andrew Owens is a band got by a God. Yeah. That's why Jamaica prosper, so. I couldn't feel like Jamaica prosper, so. Eh? I couldn't feel like Jamaica prosper, so. You know, see all pastor try to say bad things about the G and Master God say, yo, boy. Wrong! I don't say that. Our pastor try to come and say bad things about Andrew Owens and Master God push him down on his face. Tell me, I create the other step. So when time you come and talk about, I tell you this, it's not who jump up and say God, God, God. Yeah, I'm telling you. I'm saying love the country, love on the country, love on the people, them, bro. Love on the youth, them, bro. Stop get up and go on like you don't have sense. Stop get up and go on like you don't want people for hold on down. With them hold down self. And I never stop say this. Most of the PNP them don't care about good governance because them don't believe in no governance at all. Only thing them believe in a criminal and self. Me are telling you that, and that's not a joke thing. PNP not believe in a good government. They just believe in a say, yo, see me party a rule, that's all. That's all them believe in. They just believe say, yo, see me party a lead. We are government, that's all. Them not believe, they not business if they want to get road fixed. They not business say if them a get good government. They not business if we net reserve, they wear down to the ground. Them no business. Me tell you, them no business if a teacher they no get money. They no business if policeman they not get. They no business about nothing. The only thing them business about say PNP in a government. That's all. You hear me telling you? In a PNP time, bro, everything where you need in a Jamaica you have a black road. Every frigging thing where you need. Stamp pass. You can't see nobody. Flood, no government. Nothing, no government. Ongo we hear the government in a Jamaica. In a PNP time, people go up on road, go black blood clot road. That's all. And then still no show about. Then send police come clear off a blood clot roadside. I want to know we are idiot. Yo, the biggest demonstration ever go on in a Jamaica history of PNP make it happen. Biggest demonstration in a Jamaica history, PNP, gas riot, from Negril Pine to Moran Pine, from North Coast to East Coast, from South Coast to West Coast. Blood clot, you don't know about nothing? Biggest riot then go on in a Jamaica, biggest demonstration then go on for people want representative from politicians underneath PNP government here. The biggest downfall and what Jamaica ever go under underneath PNP government here. The most corruption where you ever hear politicians under is underneath PNP government here. And I can tell you that there is no politician in the West. Matter of fact, there is no politician who in our whole world. No politician in our world, not even Donald Trump. No corrupt like Philip Powell. Philip Powell like most corrupt politician ever be in a history. And what? Wanna still vote for him. PNP party still have him up there. You hear me telling you? So wanna stop going like you don't want to talk, brother. Progress is a must. Underneath Andrew Owners, progress is a vision. Andrew Owners eat, breathe, sleep, and talk progress. You hear me telling you? Andrew Owners is a progress master. Andrew Owners believe in a upliftment. Andrew Owners don't believe in people them for suffer and stay upon one level forever. No. And that's why the man saying believe in a self-empowerment. Any government who believe in a self-empowerment, they must love them people them. You hear me telling you? Because a self-empowerment is the way out. Handout can be a way out because a man give $5,000 to the brother, but you step in there say you broke no bum clock. When a man can self-empower you and help you to build yourself, you can't broke. You can't broke. And that we need in our country, brother. We need self-empowerment. People who can build themselves, go and learn a skill, bro. The man make sure make it that the youth them can left for school with certain amount of education, certain amount of subjects when they left are just free for them. So that means self-empowerment, that's a self-development, bro. That mean the man and the woman of tomorrow now gonna be like the bumbuckler man and the woman of PNP time. You hear me telling you? It now gonna be the man and the woman of PNP time. It gonna be man and woman of the future. Cause man and woman in a PNP time. Let me tell you now. Most of the man them in a PNP time, I can't cut them. PNP bill, cane cutter, labor right bill. Let me show you the sitting. I show you how great Jamaica Labour Party is to Jamaica. The Jamaica people and Jamaica economy. Michael Manley bill cane cutter. Michael Manley and PNP party bill cane cutters. Edward Siaga bill archers and bill tradesman. So tell me who more develop, who for politics more develop the country and more sustain into the country. Tell me. PNP policies or labor right policies? Which one of them more sustain into Jamaica people? Cane cutter or archers? Which one of them? Michael Manley bill cane cutter, bro. Edward Siaga say a society without skilled people is not a society none at all. And that Papa Blind say. And that Daddy Eddie say. You hear me telling you? A society without skilled people is not a society none at all. So the boss goes to boom and farm archers. Archers are one of the best things that ever happened for Jamaican people them and Jamaican youth them. You hear me telling you? Big up yourself, kids, man. Remember, so we young, man. Remember, so we young, we want the young youth them to understand, bro. I see me, and we as young people have to do it now. That's why I love and respect you, say, girl. Me, I tell you, As I hear you talk, I just sit down and listen. And I say, hear that little young girl you talk. I wish enough young girl have smart or sense like you. Hear more? Hear, moms? Remember, I tell you that. And I want a little young girl, I sit down and hear you talk, bro. But some more time I see on live, I go live in the kids. I have to listen to these as a younger girl than me. And I said, Jesus Christ, here the little young girl. So why make the little young girl nowadays can't have sense like them girl? I'm gonna get themselves educated and push themselves in a way in a society for that no boy can't come walk on them. No boy can't come take them for idiot. No. And that me I say it again. And that's why nowadays, bro. And the woman them I come like, yo, the woman them I leader, And the woman them I run this. The young girl them get up and say, yo, self-empowerment. We know depend on all time days where breed 5, 6, 7, 8 baby father and nothing now go on. Them a young girl that say fit Them a young girl that say they must drive one fit or one stream. You know, in a 2 year time, I can't see young girl them a drive. The young girl that own them business. Young girl that own houses in a time, in a labor right time, when them a say nothing a go on. Uncle look a young girl now nowadays, like workless one, them will still have a PNP blood clot hold on man. Whether in a some constituency, where uncle thing them grow up because see, their mama can have 20 pitney, their auntie can have 30 pitney. Every man in our blood clot neighborhood know about them mama and them people. Are the same life then come up and want to live, bro. Them they are the hunger set a young lady, them and young youth, them who get up and say nothing go on. And guess what? Me I'm gonna say it again. A PNP have the most garrisons, bro. So a them the set of people they must say nothing go on. You hear me telling you? The people them only hear say nothing go on, just check it. In the PNP stronghold them. In the PNP garrison them. And them should have been the one them who up running and uplifting and upliftful more than we. Because for them constituency where them there now, bro. For them constituency when them there now. I years PNP in a government and I years PNP run for them constituency and PNP no do no upliftment in a constituency none at all. Some of my constituency them now have a clinic. Some of my constituents them not even have a health clinic in it, brother. And them a vote for the fucking said MP for 30 odd year, 15 year, 18 year. Look over Mark Golden constituency. Them don't have a clinic, a running clinic over there. Them don't have a operating clinic over that place until now. And him, you know, him are the opposition leader, bro. And you have a clinic in your constituency, but you can't get up every day and try to tell life for Andrew only. But you can't see what your people them need in your constituency, Mark Golden. You need to get up and get out. You need to get up and get out. You know? Although me say, yo, me can't say no better because me can't sit down and beg for blood clot good for PNP idiot people. Because them no want no good. They not believe in a goodness. You not believe in a goodness, bro. You not believe in a watch people and bad mind them. That you not believe in a. Because right now, me can bet you say the hole still, the big stinking hole still over jungle still same way. Still a flow the stinking shit water on the drive past, on the walk past, and on the see it every day. Not one of uno. We on love uno MP them and believe in them more on step. Not one of uno no get up and say, Mr. Gold, and you can't go, you know see you know pass the shit water as spill up in a community. Uno business. Uno don't give a fuck as long as a PNP shit water. As long as morning mama. Pick up yourself, my mother. See that, yo, me I tell you, see that lady that who a big me up, a lady there, she did a style out in a PNP system, you know. But, hey, Kes, big up on yourself, yeah. Me love you in your fuck. See that woman there sit down and listen to the vloggers them. And she said she learned so much out of politics that she didn't know by listening to you guys. She would never ever put back her finger in her ink and vote for PNP. And I 7 of them live in her yard and the woman say any one of them ever fucking vote for PNP again, she run out every one of them out her house. And they are strong PNP family, but guess what? Uno mama big up on yourself, uno change. You know the amount of people who are changing at this who never understand about politics. People who never, and that's why the PNP them come on the live them and talk about threaten and kill and them come and chat all type of shit. Cause guess why? People don't in tune to feed them live like how them in tune with the labor right live them. People more listen to our things them. Cause people want to know what go on. Morning G. People want to know what go on and then don't know what go on. Them not hear about certain policies in our country. Cause watch a PNP just come on life to come cuss and talk about dirty junk labor right, them labor right, then this labor right, then that. Andrew have 28 bank account, Andrew build big house. A 50 bank account me I go have. 50. 5 and going. You hear me tell you? And by next year if you come, me I want more another 2 more. You hear me tell you cause what? Me have some little sitting where me I plan on for next year. Cause next year me I go back in a business. And when me I run business, my business money not going on no account when me have. My business money going on business account. You hear me telling you? Say if uno dirty thinking people no have ambition to say yo uno want to own this or uno want to have that or uno want to have that. Uno for stop bad mind people who have the ambition. Andrew Holness, you want me telling you something? So Mr. Holness, me have to rate him now, bro. And me I go talk of our experience, me have to rate Mr. Holness, bro. Yeah, me I want you to grow up. Yo, me grew up without my mother and father. You see me? Me never grew up with my mother and father, bro. You know what mommy? Mommy they did it. Mommy did alright. Mommy they run me family about. Me leave my mother when me a 3 year old. Come live with my grandfather. Me a show nothing. Me leave my mother when me a 3 year old come live with my grandfather and my grandmother. Then me know about then my mother come back down come live where me live. From me day in a grade 3 to grade 6. Me a show you know. From grade 3 to grade 6. Then she cut. Cause my mother is a woman. That's why me have the ethics of me have. Mommy stay like me. You see me? Mommy always out there. Always back and front. I try to do her hustling. I try to do her thing to build up her. I said my mother hustler straight. My mother no one my mother them will sit down my mother them. We might not see her, but you don't know it a come to it. You see me? Me never really know daddy. Big up yourself, daddy. I know me love you. Me never really need them. But watch you now. Me as a youth, me always sit down and say to myself, so, Bombard. See, you know, say me now make my youth them grow up come to know me. You see me? Me now make my youth them grow up come live under the said little condition where me did a live. You see it? Me want my youth to grow up come go sa boom. Have a mother and father, even if the two are not there in a one position, not there in the same house at the same time, but me are there in our life 100%. And me want to set something for my youth where she can grow up and know say you are my own that. When she reach certain age, God help me, man. I just a beg Father God to make me have good health and life. Cause when my daughter reach certain age, me have to put more and put title in on my daughter and I say, yo, all this and that a fear, you know. You see me? You see your little brother and sister them, and you are going to cut up that piece of land. Yo, you see that business place they out there say they na hold on a name. And you are going to share up it. And you see anything where business, I saw me want to grow up my youth. Big up yourself one voice. That more my youth them for grow up under. More break the generation curse when they there. From my parents them days. And I saw Andrew Holness grew up as a singing man, grew up and see him mother alone and say, alright then, me now grow in the future, my youth now go grow up so. My youth them now grow up in a little old but long boat house. You see me? Me I go set my thing. That's my youth them can grow up come have the best life. And for them youth them can grow up come have the best life. And then youth them. And that the man put in mind towards. That's why man a fucking 28 bank account. Because the man believe in a breaking generation curse. Now for uno PNP I say man come in a politics blood like that and never have nothing and him rich because the man have ambition. The man ambition blood clot taller than his skyscraper building them where they don't have man at here. Big up yourself Andrew Holness. People for ambitious. People for ambitious, bro. You hear me telling you? I don't bad mind people when you see them a come from nothing to something. You take them as a role model. When you see people that broke like dog and work up themselves to have things, them people they are role model for everybody. You hear me telling you? You don't know for bad mind people when you see people. If you see a man a show and blood clot and cat and in take time move up from the and cat to a old van and then he move up to a little bus. Brother, you're supposed to encourage and feel good and say, and cat man that no. You don't believe say and cat man to move up and buy one car. You don't believe people for have ambition. You don't believe a man for show be all blood clot and cat till him dead. When he getting money, he go sit down in a rum bar and drink coffee and not save nothing. A sub PNP them think that a for them thinking, bro. Them not think say you have to uplift yourself. Them not feel like say yo, you can move from zero to a hero. Them not believe in them thing there, bro. Fool, me no want trick. Listen, if me not have a trick nobody here. Because me just attack anything when me attack people with ambition. You see people with ambition, boy. You gotta talk about me can't trick nobody. Me not have a trick nobody. Cause you see when me attack, I don't make up story. Me attack ambitious people story. You hear? So you see anything when me attack, you see people with ambition, them are gonna know say a reality me attack say. Me not talk about workless people story, boy. You see you, yeah. The boy Diego. Diego, me not talk about workless people lifestyle. Me not encourage workless people. Me not encourage people with ambition. People who want to see light. Me not encourage no workless blood clot PNP. People who have ambition, bro. That me I tell you no. If you don't want have ambition and want to sit down and blood clot wait for and do that a phone business. Ambition is key. You hear me tell you no? So if you feel like you have ambition and something good, you see man. You see yeah, I know something I tell you something. You know say I'm going to rate to that youth there. That's true him love go out with him look a funny thing. But you see him I want to hunger one of them. Where? Him have a time when him straighten them up. Them dep on him life and him a spread all type of light. Him will stop them and him will. But only thing not like with that nigga, them not like him funny style, bro. Yeah, that's why only thing not like with them. I not like you look about him and style. But do your thing. Encourage the youth them to go look work. Yeah, because all heap of youth follow you over there. Tell them to go get skill. Tell them to look at work. Bro, big up, tell the youth them to broke them generation curse. Stop sit down every day and cuss Andrew Holness and tell Andrew Holness about him, account them. Stop sit down and try spread propaganda upon Andrew Holness because that not help G. Try using it. If I have 1 second out on the platform, tap tell lie. You hear me tell you no? Uno PNP people who say, uno PNP bloggers who say, uno love Jamaican, and uno love Jamaican people them. And uno love the youth them in Jamaica. Yo, uno take 1 second, man. Take 2 minutes, man, and stop tell lie. Tap tell lie for 2 minutes. And just talk some truth for 2 minutes and beg the youth them over phone side for go look work. But it's when I sit down and I tell the youth them be a lie, and I tell them say nothing now go on, and no work not there, and Jamaican people are suffer. Uno create more thief and more gunman run phone system, because why uno hold on the fucking youth them mind and tell them say nothing now go on. Uno, I more encourage the youth them to go to violence more than to encourage the youth them to fucking get up and try to be something in a life. Because only thing uno try beating a youth them head, nothing na go on, nothing na go on. So what wanna tell the youth them to go be? Wanna encourage the youth them to go be? You hear me I tell you no? Wanna encourage the youth them to go be? If every day you get up and tell life and I go on a country where I move forward so much. Mark Shield can left from fucking England as a white man. Me sure to say how you hate Jamaica on a lie, you know. On a wicked, you know. Mark Shield can left Jamaica and say the Jamaica where him say no is a better Jamaica than Jamaica 20 to 15 years ago. So how uno bad mind black people in a Jamaica can't see it. No, uno bad mind PMPs. Because I not say I like people them. Or uno can't see it. And a white man can left from we England and come tell and say, yo, love the country. This a government who they eat now is better off for the country because Jamaica is better than 15 and 20 years ago. Yeah, man say? The man say England now do half as good as we. England have changed over 5-6 prime minister in a little time since Andrew Holness is elected as prime minister in Jamaica. Mark Shield contract that say England now do half as good as we. So uno get up every day and I spread all type of propaganda. Uno just propagandist. Uno just propagandist, bro. No must find have ambition, mama, everybody. For you have ambition, me show nothing. Now for you them ambition and hype. Them want one phone for one iPhone for how much money. One ambition for them ambition and hype. Now for a girl them want have an Brazilian, Peruvian, Geruvian. You hear me telling you? That for them ambition. Now for them no know say $30,000, $25,000 for you have ambition can turn in a man or a fucking woman. You don't know? No, them here what? Them sit down and look down for people. Them sit down and look down for who take them look of money and I try to turn them look of money and I hustle them look of money. You know what the amount again. You know what the amount of them. You don't know the amount of them cause me and tell me both go me not go make my party buy more iPhone. If my party that buy people nothing and I buy me nothing. Andrew only said that what you want? 5 cow. Boss more 5 red pole. Buy me 5 red pole, Mr. Holness. You see me? All you know say me if you go tell Andrew Holness to buy me one phone. If Andrew Holness come up on my thing and say, Gawain, what you want? 5 red pole, 5 cow. Buy me 5 red pole, boss, and me good. You hear me telling you? You don't want a phone, 5 red pole cow. You know what that I gonna do? That I gonna turn me in a man. You hear me telling you? But guess what? Them all feel like say ambition me not have for say me want 5 cow. Me should tell the man say me want one phone. You hear me telling you? No, you say me a show na mama that I pre-ments me just tell us so them always tell me say me tell the boss say me want bad phone or me want iPhone. Me just tell them say me, if me could have try if me a beg the boss nothing, would have never beg the boss a phone. You don't know? Only thing me not tell the boss, say boss, me want 5 cow. Buy me 5 woman red pole cow. And me can tell her say, me alright. And me don't have 3 already, you know. Me don't have 3. 3 me have 3. 3 cow. 3 me buy. Me buy 1. I want mother cow. You see me? And me have one look family way. Anything she see me with, she try to do better than it. So she goes to boom and buy me another one. And me go drop one bull. So me have 2 woman cow and 1 little bull calf run up and down. The other one soon drop. $500,000 for 1 cow. 500,000 for 1 cow. I'm to some boy. That's why I pray Philippian man. Ambition I key, you know. There is no way you go say you want your family them to move out of generation curse and poverty, you know. And you now be the one who to get up and push the way forward, you know. You have to open them door, they cannot do now open for you. A man now open the door for you. Ain't nobody now open the door. You have to open your own door them. And you have to dig your own foundation. If you want to fence up one yard, you have to dig the first post hole and drop one post right there. So that's how me pray. You see me? Big up yourself, Khadija. Me not pray like the normal youth them do. Pray normal now go put you away. You see me? Me a pray bigger than that as me say. My boss, them cousin say him have 28 bank book. That is not nothing yet. 50 bank book who want to have. My daughter alone fi have 28 bank book. My bank book work when I just have. Because I soon start but me look at trading thing. You see me? More have an account with that just I do my Forex thing. And the whole I'm looking for Forex money just I go over the stuff. You see me I show that thing. All them people and all that thing. Because everything them talk about who a scammer and who a this and who a that. Bro, listen this. $5,000 in our account. Me I show them a thing. $5,000 in our account. And if you can find somebody to teach you about this trading thing, this Forex thing, you put 5,000 Jamaican in our account. And somebody can teach you. And you get to understand about the trading thing. You know what that $5,000 can turn in? You know that $5,000 worse if you put say 100 US. So 100 US would be about 14, say $15,000. Put $15,000 in our account. You hear me telling you? And find somebody to teach you about trading. You hear me telling you? You just want to understand about it and get to go in at the right stock market at the right time. You just want to understand about it. And so $5,000 can turn you in. You hear me telling you? You see me I telling you say, you don't mind hold down Peter, bro. You don't mind hold down. You see where your mind hold down, your mind now say it can turn you broke. I hold down your mind hold down, bro. You don't know that's why you can't advance and be no better off in a life, bro. I must, let me tell them, say 100 US. You just want to understand about the stock market and somebody get to teach you about it, bro. You hear me telling you? That's why I tell you, say, you so PNP minded and whole long minded, bro. That's why everybody want to see with things and say them a scammer. But the youth, they're more smarter than you and I think way more advanced than you, bro. That's why I stop, get up and talk about youth as scammer because you don't have no sense. You hear me telling you? You don't have no sense, bro. That's why I get up on every youth nowadays. You don't try to come up with a whole long mind and a whole long mentality. And I talk about, yo, oh, people are scammer, or people are this, or people are that. The youth them nowadays smarter than you, bro. You hear me telling you? Enough of them big top businessmen where you see enough of them. And they said stocks and bonds them a do. Even entertainer them, the artists them a do it, bro. But never as PNP, not open your mind and make a verse that big for understand about them things. The only thing you understand is nothing go on. That's all. You don't understand say nothing go on and want to see. One little normal youth go so boom and use them opportunity there and buy one nice car, build one nice little business. You don't say them a scammer or them a thief. Because I true this on the mind, hold down and low down to the ground, bro. When the mind low down to the ground, and that's why so much young youth and young girl are labor right. And that's why so much young people are labor right, bro. Because people them get visit say, yo, you can't do PNP, bro. On so much all hold down mind people. Yeah, gonna be the same thing. Them all rust are gonna run off when you're rotten in a new car. You hear me telling you? All the young labor right them don't go near them all blood clot old long mind people. Them all rust are gonna rub off for you and rotten down on a new car. Then come like salt water to blood clot iron. When the most rusty and rotten down here. Prosperity is a must, man. We just want to youth them for us. Have ambition, have a work ethics, and have a drive, bro. Don't get up and follow people. We have a government who make it possible for young people. For young people, have a way out. It's not like in the early 2000s, in the 2000s, in the 99 them, and and the late 80s them. No, we in a era of a government. We're in an era of a government who know about policies, who know about what it takes to carry the country forward. Where young people want. Andrew always know about that and he man make sure so them policies they set. So all the young people them don't get up and follow them old broke down carrier. You hear me telling you? Never wanna get up and follow the old broke down carrier them we are trying to make you grow up said we like them. Wanna get up, use the opportunity them young people. Me I beg you, opportunities are there, get up and use them. That are the hunger way forward. Here. There is no other way forward. Use the opportunity them. I wanna go get left back. Now man, make Diego stay, man. You want to with Diego, man. Diego alright, man. Him not gonna stop. He not stop. All if you mute him, he find one next. Make him turn, man. Diego, right, watch out. I see if you don't mute them. Me not telling you what I learn. And as somebody in England make me know this. See if you don't mute them, it's gonna come like we unfair and we just want to do this bit to ourselves. You see, for my life, we not mute them. Them have to stay on the life to show up themselves. If you don't really know, say, you don't have some anti-Jamaicans. Some Jamaicans where they only go around and spread lies. Some Jamaicans who, for them job, have to go around and just do that. Put up orange art. That a PNP, that a PNP that a PNP slogan. anti-Jamaican. Some anti-Jamaican. People who don't like to see Jamaica move from outer poverty to prosperity. You know? People who don't like to see. We have the most people are working in history at the lowest unemployment rate will ever be. So you see people like them, they don't have to leave them and make people who make society people see them and know say we have anti-Jamaicans who just want to see the country sink. Who want to see the country go back to zero. You hear me telling you? Zero. Imagine, you know, imagine a country have to take 30 years, 30 friggin' years to recover from where an opposition party do to the country. And them are going to get up and cuss the governing party. Who you know, who take almost 9 years and build back a country from them 30 years of destruction. Then one more that we want. We know that PNP is not good for we none at all. And you only take almost 9 years. Morning, mama. Take almost 9 years and build back PNP. What PNP do for 30 years and what them do for 30 years. Bring down the country. Bring down the country, bro. Our economy after 30 years was dead. We did have a dead economy. No growth at all. Them gonna pay workers. You hear me telling you? There was a time when them come on a ball and I tell the people so they can't do no better. Them must beg them to see with them. Take what they have. And so they used to deal with the teacher them. And the policeman, them public sector workers them. They used to tell them so we are begging, we can't go no more. Just take what we have. Until one of them get up and start tell the teacher them say, the teacher them for stop go to college. I tell the youth them say them for stop go to college and run down teaching. Them for stop go learn. Them for go you will go learn something else. Or them for go turn farmer because them can't provide so much work for teachers in Jamaica. Crawford said that. Damien Fishford said that. You hear me telling you? So how come you come and talk about Jamaica? Boy, me must glad say Trump. Me tell you I'm glad say Trump win. Trump come like me, you know. Trump hate Batman. Trump hate Batman. Me glad say Trump win your fuck. You hear me tell you? Trump not like Batman. And you see what Uno try, you see what Uno try run with. Trump not in that. And Labour Right Party not in that. So we not gonna have no bag up, we not gonna have America try throw this batty business down with you. Or tell we say if we not legalize batty man in our country, them are gonna cut down this and them are gonna cut down that. Trump are gonna cut down our batty tree. Big up Trump. So if we don't like that, we no business. Me rate Trump. Trump tired of battyism in our world. Trump want to get rid of all our Sodomite and Batman them. So Trump win is a good thing. Me no business. Trump come like me. Trump not like Andor. Trump not like worthless bumbuckler people. All who accuse Trump. Trump not like worthless people. Most like bumbuckler Jamaican them who left fire. Take all their last money. Sell all them TV. Sell everything. Borrow money. Do everything for get money, for go foreign, for jump cross border and got a blood clot foreign, go mash up foreign, most of how you did do. Send back them blood clot. Send back them pussy ass clot. Trump deal with them. I want to Uno to be fair. You me tell you, Uno to be fair. The Jamaicans then left fire. Some people out here have them pitney them and go through so much sitting to take up a little dirty shit them are foreign. What them got foreign can do? Go and disgrace them bumbuckler people them. Enough of them got foreign and they up there for how much year all them mama dead and them poopa blood clot dead and then can't come back down here because they not trade. I walk the shit them, send them home. If you say, me not busy when I'm going to say, I don't speak the truth. They not no ambition. America is a big apple. When you go in a big apple, you have to make something for yourself. The Jamaican them know to bumbuckler. I don't think they go America for do I get Jamaica bad name. Bad name. Some boy got foreign, then now buy 2 clocks and 2 t-shirts and don't come give them family them, but them can stack 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15 blood clot rifle in a bar send down for mash up Jamaica. Trump send out them bomber clots, suck on yourself. Feel like my business? You don't feel like my business? You could have been labor right PNP, you could have been my mama, my papa, my sister send out them blood clot. You hear? So if you don't want to get up and chat fuck me just be fear boy. And that uno PNP if you do. Get up and be fear as a human being. Get up and be fear as a person. Stop just being PNP alone and if you be fear. I'm telling you that because you can't be fear. That's why you don't live under any. That's why you don't live under any conditions, bro. You don't be fear, bro. And just start catch out, bro. Jamaica them a mash up bomb buckler for it. You know? And youth them get the chance, bro. No look into it, youth. The youth them get the chance to make them think better. If a man, I want to look on this and be fear, if a man can go foreign and send down 3, 4, 5 AK, brother. A couple taxi that. I want to look a 2, 4, 3 car wash that in our community when could have employ some. I said youth them when them a buy bomb buckler gun become kill out. Oh no. I want to look a bar that then could have open and employ to a little girl them in our community where can send back them pitney then go to school. No. Instead of them do that, them buy big guns, send come kill out every bomb ball in our community. Trump send out them bomber ass clad. Who want hate me for say that? We love Jamaica. Enough of them Jamaican and I got foreign go do nothing good. More mash up said blood clot Jamaica where them come from. Fuck off. Boy, you idiot, you know. Because all you talk about labor right, you know. Me talk about my country. You hear me tell you? Me talk about my country. So all who want, big up Trump. Trump, you, only thing me can know say, me not go have no bag of batty people that go and tell my government boy for throw batty down Jamaican people them. No. Trump hate batty man. So here what? Big up yourself, Trump. At least one country off our shoulder. One country and then batty argument off our shoulder. America. And for America batty business off our shoulder, we don't care about nothing else. Because America I want the people them who will survive off of most. Let me tell you, I love black people. I mean always more mind if I see one black people or next black someone they take you White House. But get what? Obama as a black man, shame blood clot with. Obama feel batty man self. Him. You see me? So here what? Low blood clot Trump. Trump is a white black man. Only thing with him, he just fuck up in some way. But him is more black in his heart, more blood clot batty man Obama. Who fly come to Jamaica? If we come to Jamaica, come tell the people them say, him a try, him as a black man, or open some local door for we. He want to tell us if we open we door them and let in batty man in our house. Big up Obama. Big up Trump here, bro. At least Andrew Holness, you have one less country for worry about batty business. You hear me, G? Jamaica for life, man. Love Jamaica, brother. Love Jamaica. Love the country. Love prosperity for the country. Love better off for the youth them because of the youth them are the future. You hear me telling you? And with a government like this, first thing I'm going to say it again. Free CXC. You see, free CXC, bro. I'm not stop saying this. If you never know what free CXC do for the youth them, most of the job them in a Jamaica now. See, most of the job them in a Jamaica now, bro. It called for CXC. The least little job we are trying to get in a Jamaica now, a CXC. And imagine if Andrew Holness them never free up that little policy for the youth them can get certain amount of subject free. Imagine how much youth that they out there right now we are work who couldn't get a job like we. You hear me telling you? Like we who never enough of our parents couldn't afford to pay for how much CXC for enough of we. You hear me telling you, sir? That's why enough of the youth them come out, come turn criminal and turn blood. Some good youth, bro. Because them parents couldn't afford to pay for the CXC for them, bro. You hear me telling you? So right now, at times like this now, me have to give thanks to your government like this, bro. Whole heap of youth, brother. Whole heap of youth underneath the labor right government, brother. Yo, me a telling you, whole heap of youth life it changed, brother. Hundreds and thousands of youths. You hear me telling you? Them not go see it because they me a telling you, G. Them people that just not believe in a prosperity and they not believe in a upliftment of young people. Yeah, me tell them don't believe in a upliftment of young people because watch out, under for them government, them not set no policies for young people uplift. First thing, you know, PNP, yeah, them get up when I cost about hospital. PNP don't believe in a health, you know. PNP never build one hospital, not one hospital never built under PNP government, you know. Not one. Since PNP exists and a blood clot run Jamaica, PNP don't build not one hospital, not even a single hospital never built under the PNP government, not one. You see, if the PNP government alone, when you're dead, you just stand, when you're sick, you stand in your yard and blood clot dead and then go bury you. They don't believe in a health care. For them government, the PNP party never built a hospital in a Jamaica. Never since them inception. Go and check it. You hear me telling you? You go and check it out. So if the PNP you don't have to get up and talk about hospital, because you don't believe in them sitting there, brother. You never believe in Jamaica.